Hello friends, this is Amit Ranjan and you are watching your favorite channel Java Mitra. Some of my students given me a message that I must have to add some video lesson about JTable. So this is my first video on JTable. So let us go. JTable provides the facility to display data in tabular form. Here I have shown you two different constructors, JTable with a no argumented constructor and with a two argumented constructor. First one parameter is a two-dimensional array that takes data, and the second one takes header in the array form. Some methods are shown here. By default, we can select a particular row, but with the help of this set cell selection enabled method, we can make our table enable to so that we can select particular cell. Get value at and set value at can be used to set or get the value from a table at particular row index and column index. You can see here that get value at returns object type of data and a text parameter as row index and column index. However, set value at method takes a value of type object and the row index and the column index. So you can set or get data with the help of get value at and set value at method. Let us create a class to understand about how to use JTable in Java. So first of all, we have to import some important packages. Import java.awt.all, import java.awt.event, import javax.swing.asterisk, import javax.swing.event, and one more will be required in future, so I am adding the same here also. Table dot asterisk. So table package will be used further in some cases. I have also imported that one. Now let us create a class main or table demo, and let us create a constructor for it. So first of all, we need object of table, and for table object we should know about the constructor of the class JTable. So actually it takes two array. First one is data of two-dimensional array. So let us create a data array of two dimensions, and one dimension array for header. So in this way we have two array. First one is one dimensional array for header values, and the second one is for two dimensional array of data values. Now let us create a table with the help of these two arrays by passing data and the header. Let me show you what will happen if I will add the table directly in the content pane. Add table, set size, set visible, and set default close operation, exit on close. Let us create a main method, and now create object of this class. So let us do compile. Cannot find symbol come because we do not have extended our class to JFrame, so it doesn't find any add method. So let us extend with JFrame. Now let us compile, and the compilation is done. Execute the program. with the help of main table demo class, and we can have the data, but we cannot see the headers. And the second one thing is that if we will resize the frame, we cannot see we cannot scroll to the data which is not shown on the frame. So for this purpose we need to add a JScroll pan. So let us add a JScroll pan. JScroll pan JSP is equal to new JScroll pan and pass the table object here, and then add JSP instead of table on the content pan. Let us once again recompile the program and run, and now we have our table with rows, and if we will resize, then we will see that there is a scroll bar through which we can see all the data, through which we can scroll and see our data. So if our frame is smaller than size of table, then the JScroll pan will help us by adding a scroll bar. So in this way we can create our table object and we can use them. So let us add some more data. Now all the 4 rows are on my screen, and you can see that if I will resize our container, then scroll pan is added on the right side, and through which we can scroll to our old data. But the problem I have now is that if we try to select some cell, we will see that whole row is selected, but we cannot select a particular cell. So how to do this? So let us add one statement so that we can enable our table to select a particular cell. So let us compile the program. And check whether our aim is fulfilled or not. So we can see that now we can select its cell. We can select its cell. We can edit any one cell. It's not a big issue now. So in the next video I will show you that how can we get value from the table where user selects. So if user select a cell in the table, how can we get that value? In this next video session I will show about this. So thanks for watching and be with me. Take care.